In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search across multiple sheets or tabs in Google Sheets. If you've ever had data spread across several tabs and couldn't remember where a specific term lives, this workflow will help you find it quickly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to open the Google Sheets home. Now open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once your file is open, use the standard Find shortcut. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. A small search box appears in the top right of the sheet. Type the word or value you want to locate. Right away, Sheets will highlight the first match on the current tab, and you can use the up and down arrows in that box to jump to other matches on this sheet. To expand the search so it looks across every tab, click the three vertical dots on the right side of the search box to open the Find and Replace panel. In the Search drop-down, choose All Sheets. This tells Google Sheets to scan through every tab in the file, not just the one you're on. At the top of the panel, keep your search term in the Find field. If you only need to look, you can ignore the Replace section for now. If you do plan to update text, the Replace field lets you specify what to swap in. A quick tip here. Before you replace anything, step through each match using the Find button so you can confirm the context. This is especially helpful when similar words appear in headers, notes, or formulas you don't want to change. With all sheets selected, click Find. Each click jumps you to the next match anywhere in the workbook, switching tabs automatically and selecting the exact cell that contains your term. You can keep clicking. Find to cycle through every occurrence, and the panel shows how many matches it has found. If you're certain about making changes, use Replace for the current cell, or Replace All to update every match at once. Just be cautious with Replace All, since it affects all tabs in one go. And that's it. You've learned how to start from Google, open Sheets, search for a value, expand to all tabs, and review or replace matches with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.